Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna showing that how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you're just using the Netflix in the offline mode, and you just have to just download the movie any series in the offline mode. So how you can do that? So many users facing issue because they don't have proper guidance. They don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you don't connect with any VPN during that. So when you just in the offline mode, you don't use a Netflix account, so make sure that it's false information that you can use in offline mode. You can download any Netflix system, any Netflix series, any Netflix movie. So you have to make sure that after doing that, you just have to just go to the general section and just going to the software related and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and just going to the scroll it down and just find a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all these steps, and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. So make sure that. So I'm going to tell that this is a false statement. You can on offline mode you can not download something from the Netflix. So you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and you don't download anything from Netflix in the offline mode. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.